This is Aastha. Welcome to my channel. So well, I'm gonna do a video today for you guys because the Christmas season is right in here, and I thought why not do a Christmas makeup tutorial. Like, you guys must be going for a lot of parties, and I thought why not do a good makeup tutorial for you guys that is actually, you know, practically possible to be done. So I thought, let's do it, right? Let's do it. Come on, the Christmas season is right in here, and you guys deserve a good Christmas makeup tutorial. Let's get on with the video. You guys know me by now. First thing first, a primer. You guys know me, I love Lakme Absolute Primer, so yeah. I would like to go with a BB cream. I'm gonna use the Pond's BB cream, and this is something that I really look forward to. That less is more, and this is also not required, believe me. It's just that I thought maybe at least I should show something that I'm applying on my face. So I have a bit darkened, you know, neck than my face. So neck is the place where I apply my BB cream with generously. I always say never forget your eyelids. You can see, like right now, see, look at my eyelids. So always apply some concealer or some BB cream or whatever you're just going for on your eyelid too. That would just add the definition to your eyes that is required. I don't know that. So right now I'm using the Fit Me setting powder, and again it's in the shade Light. So वैसे कई बार पता है डर लगता है आपको जब इतने सफ़ेद हो जाते हो ना, अपने आप को शीशे में देखने से डर लगने लग जाता है. But the best part is when like you do your bronzer, your blush, and you know everything settles up, you feel confident कि हाँ चलो इंसान ही लग रहे हैं. Brows. Sometimes I actually feel I'm doing some sort of geometry on my face. You know, वो याद नहीं, वो 6-7 में होते थे वो lines and angles, specifically 7. वो lines and angles जब आप बनाते थे, मतलब it really feels like I'm doing all these things on my skin. Like, okay, so scale wheel उठा लो, ठीक है, and start because you know what, frankly speaking, this is the part that actually shapes your entire face. So nothing else but keep your brows on point because that will really define your face. Okay, so yeah, क्या बात कर रहे थे हम लोग. Okay, so here I'm using the brown color. It's a Maybelline brow pencil, and you guys know I freaking love Maybelline. Yup, I mean, I'm an actual love with it. Guys, do you guys still love the arc or not? Please do let me know. I mean, I really have my doubts about it. Look at this. Look at the condition of this. I literally have this eyeshadow palette since last 3 years, and I literally never used it. I mean it right now. I was so scared of it, like freaking so scared of it that I literally never even dared to open it. And well, the only thing I figured out was that if you are blessed with a gift, try to figure out what that gift is and start using it, because you know you should feel happy that you have those things. So there were many people who really was like, why is this girl starting her YouTube channel? She was a freaking tomboy. And I was like, guys, come on, you can be a tomboy at the same time you can be that, you know, fashionista girl. There's no harm in it, like literally there is no harm in it. So I was like, this is exactly what I'm trying to tell on my channel, that I am not changed. I promise you guys, I am not changed. You know what, I am gonna use it, and if I can do it, so can you guys. And Christmas season is right in here, so I'm gonna, what shall I do, green or golden, green or golden? कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ता जा रहा है ना, मतलब आज चूज़ हो रहा है कि कौन सा कलर होएगा. Okay, so well, you really have to define your edge first thing first. So I'm using a basic brown color for contouring my eyes. ठीक है, रुक जाओ, मैथमेटिक्स समझाती हूँ contouring की क्या होती है. You don't have to do much. Just put a brown color on your eyelid. It can be any brown color, believe me. Just, let that color fill your eyelid so that it can, just give it some shape because of all the whiteness that has, just come up because of the concealer and everything. You don't want your, your eyes to get concealed. You really need to enhance that feature. So yeah, for that, a beautiful brown color would be good. And yeah, I think I've done justice. Right now I have made a difference in this and this. Well, next I am thinking of going little overboard and use a beautiful golden color on my eyelid. Okay, before I forget, this is that golden color. See, I literally do not know how to, handle all these things. So don't think that I have changed. It's just that I am trying to, just excel in something I love. Okay, so my aim was to, create a basic difference, because today it's gonna be full on red lips. You're gonna go really glam. So my task is complete. I really wanted to make a difference, and I think I've done. Now, well, I think so I should, Christmas is here. So I can literally use some green color in my tear ducts. Using the same brown color that I use for contouring my eye, I'm gonna just, use it into my lower eyelid. So just, let this grasp your lower eyelid and just do it. Yeah, see, it just gives an effect that your eye is a bit bigger. It just gives a very beautiful effect. Look at this. Well, it's the most beautiful thing that you can invest your money in, and I personally think that mascara makes all the difference to your eyes, like literally all the difference. I'll show you. Wow. Well, there are certain times when I really, I mean it. There are times when I cannot do anything. What I do is I just curl my eyelashes and simply apply mascara. That's it. I do not do anything else. Mascara and your beautiful eyelashes makes all the difference to the entire look. It just opens up your eye suddenly, all of a sudden. And well, the trick is, if you're applying mascara here now, I know there are people who hate mascara on their lower lashes, but I feel that it just gives an edge to your eye. It just opens your eye a lot more. Eyes are done, and have a looking like a final look. I have literally a better solution for you guys. If you're not very comfortable with liquid bronzers, then you know what, I was never comfortable until unless I made my own bronzers. So you know what, guys, go ahead with powderish bronzers. The only problem with the powderish bronzer is that they don't stay for a very long period of time, and I cannot deal with something that don't stay for a very long period of time, because you know what, then why are you doing your makeup if they just rub off from your skin? What's the point of investing your money into something? Guys, take your bronzer and a brush, dab it in the powder, Have some courage, have some courage. Apply it on your face. I would tell you a very silly thing that I did when I first bought, my first bronzer. Well, the point is that you have to control your desire. Well, the first stupid and the silliest thing that I ever asked when I was in my last year of college was to shopkeeper that I have seen people buying setting powders which are like light, medium, tan, but I've never seen anyone buying brown powder. Why would anyone like to do that with themselves? Me being an Indian girl, and we already have like brown skins, so and I remember, I'll tell you the reaction what happened at that point of time. Everyone was like, I'm new to makeup. I have the luxury to ask questions, right? So well, they handled me a good palette, which is, I'll show you just. So this was basically my first, contouring palette, come blusher, come highlighter. And my story of highlighting is that it was white in color. I applied it here and I was like, it's all white. How come it's in highlighter? Duh. So well, some really funny stories behind my makeup journey. And yeah, so all I want to say is that no one is born like that. You know what, you practice, you learn, you practice, you learn. My job here is that I would already tell you the mistakes I've done so that you won't ever ask a shopkeeper like, why do you buy this, this brown color, why? And you guys know what I mean. Okay, I think my contouring game is as good as my hair right now. Well, I have done my best, and I think you guys could have seen the difference. I still love my liquid bronzer so much, so freaking much. Okay, the difference has been created, and well, this is the palette. And it's a Oogie Outdoor Girl Bronzer Palette Pro. Well, they gave me Pro. I freaking love blushes. That's the same contour palette from which. Okay. I always say there nothing as such as too much blush, but don't take it very seriously. It's just that I freaking love blush. Today we are gonna go really bold. Maybelline Red Ruby, blood red color. Okay guys, never ever forget powders on your face. You need to let them calm down. So L'Oreal. Okay, so you know what, I'll do all my changing and see how this freaking look turns out to be. So guys, this is exactly how the final look turned out to be. I've done my hair, I'm wearing some jewelry, and I have painted my lips red because you know what, Christmas season is right here, and when is the best time, you can paint your lips red. I am freaking in love with this look, and if you guys like it, then please hit the like button, please comment down below, and if possible please subscribe to our channel. It literally means the world to all of us. And before I finish, wish you all a very Merry Christmas. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. It literally means a lot to us because you know what, we guys make the videos, you guys watch it, and thank you so much for doing that. Well, So finally, you know what, Christmas is gonna come. Before it happens, I just want to wish all of you guys a very, 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 very Merry Christmas, and just enjoy yourself, have fun with your family. If you guys tried this look, then please, please, please link me down. I really want to see how this look turns out to be on you guys. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you soon, and I love you guys so much. Take care. Bye bye.